Okay, for problem 11 and doing your homework here, we need to remember, if you're trying to do this on a calculator, on the problem, they label n as the number of times something is compounded. But if you're solving this on a calculator, n is the number of periods. So n on a calculator is the same thing as y, the number of periods on your problem. So that may be confusing, so don't get that mixed up. The first thing we need to know when we're compounding something is if you're compounding it by 4 or quarterly, you are going to multiply your periods by 4 and you're going to divide your rate by 4 when you put it into the calculator. So let's go to the calculator. So for your periods, in the question it says you have 15 periods. I'm going to multiply that by 4 and that gives me 60. So I type 60 and put it in for n, which is the periods. My interest rate is 8%, but since I'm compounding it quarterly, I'm going to divide that by 4, which will give me 2. 2 is my interest rate. I put that in the I. My present value is the same as P on the question. It's 200. But when you're doing it in a financial calculator, you want to put it in as a negative value. So you put 200 negative, and you put that in as your present value, and that's the same as P. And then to get the answer, or the future value, you just press FV, and it gives you your answer, 656. Remember to always, before you do this, you need to always clear your calculator because these numbers up here on a calculator will be stored. And I'm not sure exactly what calculator you have, but there's a way you just probably hit the clear button and it'll clear all these buttons.